In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clipping mask in Photoshop in a quick and simple way. This is one of those essential Photoshop techniques that can instantly make your designs look cleaner, more professional, and much more creative. Whether you want to place an image inside this text, fit a photo into a shape, or build a stylish layered design, clipping masks are the tool you need. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and make sure your project is ready. On the right side of the screen, find your Layers panel. If you do not see it, you can go up to the Window menu and make sure Layers is turned on. The Layers panel is where all the magic happens, because this is where Photoshop decides what sits on top of what. Now, the most important part is the layer order. You need to make sure your image layer is directly above the text layer or shape layer that you want to use as the clipping base. In other words, the thing you want to show should be on top, and the object you want to clip into should be underneath it. If the layers are in the wrong order, the clipping mask will not work properly, so take a second to check that before moving on. Once your layers are stacked correctly, click on the image layer so it is selected. Now hold down the Alt key if you are using Windows or the Option key if you are on a Mac. Keep holding that key down and move your cursor directly over the horizontal line between the two layers in the Layers panel. When you hover in the right spot, your cursor will change into a small square with a downward pointing arrow. That icon tells you Photoshop is ready to create the clipping mask. At that point, simply click your mouse. The top image will instantly snap into the shape or text below it. That means the image is now clipped to the lower layer, and anything outside that boundary disappears from view. The result is a clean and professional masked effect, and you can now move or resize the image inside the mask without changing the shape itself. If you want to adjust the look, you can still move the clipped image around to frame it better. Just select the image layer and use the Move tool to reposition it until it looks exactly the way you want. You can also scale it, transform it, or replace the image completely while keeping the same clipping mask structure. This technique is perfect for creative posters, thumbnails, logos, social media graphics, and any design where you want an image to fit neatly inside text or a custom shape. Once you understand this one simple process, you'll start using it all the time in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you want, check out the next video for more easy ways to improve your editing workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.